It's Monday morning, so I'm looking back on 3 amazing collaborative days. We've had almost 30 people from diverse backgrounds, Indigenous, traditional owners, scientists, consultants, educators, business owners and academics. There's been some laughter, there's been some smiles, but most importantly, we've got to know each other, trust each other, and building these relationships is what we need in order to make a bigger impact and collaborate on future projects.
I'm a Manbarra man, Manbarra Palm Island and the Islands of Reef. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm hoping that we can set up something. I want Manbarra to work with the community, especially looking after the coral reef, but also get my people back on country as well, connect back to land and sea.
It's great meeting everyone, and it's a great opportunity to come here. And, I really enjoyed the snorkeling and looking forward to dive some more.
When I go back to country, I want to pass on some of the learnings I've learned here today.
I've never done this before. Just wanted to go back. You know, I have to hold my arm because you can easily get lost in the coral there.
I could feel what it must have been like back in the day when they were, lived very traditionally and very culturally, and there's just something about getting back to the basics and getting back to nature. It just comes up through your whole soul and your body. It's just beautiful. Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to seeing Australia's first Indigenous-led restoration or site stewardship project.
Yeah, it's been really amazing experience, and the traditional owners and the scientists and the people that care about the reef have had some really rich discussions.